What happens when a stolen car, a wild story, and a high-risk traffic stop all collide at once?
Stop! Stop the car! Stop the car! Stop the car, Gordon! Gordon! Stop the car! Stop the car, Gordon! Get out of the way! Move! Move! Ma'am! Get out of the way! Ma'am, move! Stop the car! Get sticks over behind the car.
Let me see your hand! Now!
Crossfire, I got it, I got it.
He's fine, he's not gonna hurt nobody. That's my brother. Let me see your hand!
Hands, Gordon!
Gordon! Do not answer that car! Open the door! Put your hands in the air! Hands in the air! Gordon, hands in the air!
Ma'am, shut your mouth, get inside.
That's my brother.
I don't care, get inside. I am. Back to my voice, Gordon. Come on. Back up. Keep backing up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Stop right there. With your left hand, lift your shirt up. All the way up. That's fine. You can take it off. Keep backing up. Back up. Back up. Keep backing up. Keep backing up. Keep backing up. Back up. Back up. Stop. On your knees. Put your hands behind your back.
Hernandez Avenue on LA Bridge. Stay right there, ma'am. Just stay right there. No, not inside. Hey!
Stay right there.
Oh yeah, that's my back. Stay back up.
Hold on.
Anybody else in the vehicle?
Hey, stay right there. I'm coming to you, Michelle.
Yep.
Come over on me. Hold on. Where's Bagwell?
That.
I've got a thing on the door, but that's not it. With you.
Get on the same side as me. I'm passing the driver's side, okay? Watch the grate right there. Clear. Stay inside right now. Stay right there.
I'm gonna pull her out.
Was she the only one in the house?
Yeah, she was coming outside when we pulled up.
That's not what we asked you to do. I thought we asked you to do.
No, 24-5. We got one secured. The vehicle's clear.
10-4, is that going to be the same security as the mail, or is the same as security as the well?
Mail.
Mail.
I have no weapon. As a detective, I need from the beach. I worry where my mother. You guys, what?
23 myself and Bunnell 22 over
I have
here
no
in the house.
weapons in here.
24.
And 24.
Are you there? We're gonna split. I'm gonna go left, you go right. Well, they want to go. Oh, wait.
Sit down.
No.
Sit down.
Stay out here.
Sit
Damn
down.
it. Yeah, I believe so. Give me 1 second. I'm trying to figure everything out. Ma'am, come over here for right now.
He's actually got a 49, I think. I don't know if that's
All right.
You don't know, but I'm a celebrity.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
So, Gordon, real quick.
Listen, I played in a movie called Seven Biker Babes.
Oh.
You want to read Miranda rights? I understand them.
Yes, sir.
I understand them. You don't have to read them to me. I completely understand.
Well, I still gotta read them.
You go right ahead, sir.
Okay, thank you.
I understand. I'm sorry.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used against you as evidence. You have a right to talk to an attorney and have him or her with you now or at any time during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you. If at any time you wish to stop talking or have an attorney present, all questioning will be stopped at your request. Do you understand these rights?
Yes, sir.
With these rights in mind, are you still willing to talk to me?
Yes, sir.
Hey, Mr. Gordon, where did you get the car from?
Well, my brother tried to murder me, you understand?
Okay, so where did you get the car from?
Down there in, near Tyler, Texas.
Near Texas?
Tyler, Texas.
Tyler, Texas?
I believe it.
Okay. How long ago was that?
I think it's going on 2 months now, a couple months.
2 months now?
Yeah.
Who let you use the car?
My insurance company gave it to me. I'm with Farm Bureau.
Okay.
And I just talked to my agent the other day how I'm going to try to get into another car, and with my son's help,
okay,
I'll get another car. And they told me drop this one off, so I was hoping to do that tomorrow. And I don't know if my son's going to make it or not, but with my sister and my nephew, you know, they helped me a lot. And they were willing to have me come and take the car and bring it over here to Enterprise, any Enterprise, they said.
Yeah.
You know,
okay.
So they can have it back. And I mean, I'm kind of stuck where I was in Texas and I was doing good, and then my brother attacked me and tried to murder me.
Yeah.
And he put a gun in my nose, and the gun misfired. Then he kind of like hugged me, tried to get the gun unjammed, and then he says, "Oh, I'll just take your eye out of your head." And then I threw him to the ground, but he almost murdered me.
Sorry to hear that.
I've been so distraught over it, and
okay.
I left everything I own pretty much down there in Texas that I had in my home up in Ormond Beach, and my son bought me a house, and God bless him.
Okay.
But we got kicked out because I had a little Chihuahua dog, you know.
All right.
But basically, I've been staying with my sister here and my son in Atlanta.
Yeah, Enterprise reported the car stolen. Okay.
Stolen? Oh,
yes, sir.
no.
So that's why you're
my phone isn't working. My cell phone with the number that I do have, but I had it was turned off.
Did you know that Enterprise trying to get a hold of you? Did they? I mean, I know you said you talked to your accountant or whatever, your agent earlier. Did he?
Yeah. No, he just said, you know, how much longer you gonna have the car? And I said, probably about another week. That was a few days ago.
Okay.
And then, you know, they give you a deal where he says they're insuring it and they're paying for it. And it's been going on 2 months, so I've been lucky with that.
Okay. All right. Hang tight. I'll try to get you out of here quick, okay?
Oh, God bless you, my friend.
Is your wallet in the car, Gordon?
It's in a black bag here in the front.
Black bag?
Driver's seat. Give me a passenger seat.
All right.
I don't know that.
November 1, Alpha Juliet 2, Charlie Juliet 2, November Charlie 118076. I'm not waiting for
One and the same as the listed signal test. Do you want me to send a confirmation?
that's possible. DVP detail out of Oklahoma as well.
You want to get my shirt on that floor?
Yeah, I'll grab it.
Vehicle drivable.
Hey, I got your shirt. It's going to be up front with me, okay?
wondering if I'm a likable person and someone that nobody likes. Not always stressing my money and losing my job, but scared I ain't making the flight. Not always going to bed every night with this out of my stomach that never unwind. What happened to me? Yeah, what happened to me? When did I start to believe I wasn't worth it? They question my purpose to breathe. Wondering what should be.
Huh? You got 10 good women in the room, you know what you got?
What's that?
Well, a good time, I hope.
That's pretty good.
You know, you got 20 beautiful women in the room. Twice a good time.
Heck yeah.
I got lucky, man.
Enough 24 teletype. Can you 1065 for 27 for 29 out of Florida? What's that?
That was Preston still alive. He just turned 85.
Nuh-uh, he'd be older than 85.
No, he's 85. His daughter just said before she passed away. She's on that Disney on heroin, you know, girl.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man, she was singing a really beautiful song, but you know, it's just too bad how she wasted her life.
Oh.
That damn drug.
That does suck.
John Belushi, you know, a lot of movie stars, actors.
Yeah.
I don't know if they want to try to get harder than they are or what, you know, and they died.
Is she the one that Thank you. Where did that go? Who's the RO for that reported as stolen?
I think it's Enterprise out of St. Charles.
Okay.
Oh, I think it's both first. I'm like,
Crazy wall and shit falls out of it all the time.
Yeah, no, everything's in there. I made sure I put it in a baggie so nothing else would fall out.
My son went to France and he gave me a wallet. And, you know, it wasn't even a dollar in it, you know. My mom always said, if you give a wallet, son, at least put $1 in the damn thing, you know.
Dispatch has been updated. Dispatch has been
24, go ahead.
10-4. Ten 26. Can you merge this with the other BOLO from earlier, please?
Dispatch has been updated.
Yeah.
That son of a bitch. You know, I really thought he was going to freaking help me in my life, you know?
Yeah?
And I got onto a show the first day, and I was with my sister back then, up in North Minneapolis anyway, so. I met Jay Lemming, says, I got on the stage and shook his hand, and he says, I know you, you're going to Robert Terrace from Minnesota.
No way.
I was shocked, and I was amazed he knew my name and where I was from. And I started thinking, you know, in 1982, I was in an elevator in Minnesota. I got locked in the elevator for 3.5 hours. When I opened up, there must have been, there was 3 movie cameras put me on TV and said I was trying to burn the building down. And all I do was go up there and get lucky because I went to my first concert. And I touched Elvis's hand, you know, and I got into the stage. And anyways, they had him in a jukebox in Minneapolis where I come from, and the second to the top floor of the tallest building in Minneapolis.
Yeah?
Yeah, get on Route City.
And I go up there and sing Elvis, you know. Well, they got there,
Gordon Todd Knaeble, 66 years old, was arrested on January 22nd, 2024, in Bunnell, Florida, charged with grand theft of a motor vehicle, a felony under Florida statute. The vehicle, a white Nissan Murano with Oklahoma plates, had been reported stolen out of Tyler, Texas. It was towed by John's Towing, with the rental tag and decal still attached. Watch the video playing right here in the center right now and find out what happens when you think you're smarter than law enforcement. Subscribe to Police Axion Cam and hit the notification bell.